previous video, we have already talked about how to create a new application using the Odoo Studio. And here you can find the created application, which is the real estate. Now we just need to create new menu for this application. For that, you can just move on to the toggle studio of this module. And here you would be able to find a button called edit menu. So this would allow you to add different menus into your application. So in order to add a new menu, you can just click on new menu, and here you can choose the name of the menu, as well as it can be a new model or existing model or parent model. Now I will be giving the name as agents over here, which is existing model, and I just need to specify the model over here, which is employee. So I'll be searching the existing model, which is employee. Later on, we can just confirm that, and here you would be able to find that will be added over here. So as I just move on to edit menu, here you can see we have added a menu called agents over here. And as you just click on that, you can see as it's connected to an existing model, we will be getting the employees over here. Okay, now I just want to add different, I want to add different menus over here. So again, I will be clicking on edit menu, and I just want to add the contacts such as the seekers as well as the owners. So first I'll be setting it as, I'll be setting the menu name as contact, and that is the parent menu, and let's confirm that. Okay. So after adding that, we just need to add different menus under this contact, such as the seekers as well as owners. So I'll be again creating new menu such as seekers. So let's name it as seekers, and that's from the existing menu contact. So existing model contact. So you can basically search for the model that is contact, and let's confirm that. And again, let's create a new one that is known as owners, which means the name is owners for the menu, and that's from the existing model, and I'll be choosing the model contact over here, and we can just confirm that. Okay, so recently we have added everything, and let me confirm that. And here you would be able to find the menu such as properties, configuration, agents, contact, seekers, owners, everything. But this is not well arranged. Now I just need to arrange everything. So for that, let's move on to edit menu, and here you can see that we just need to set configuration at the end of the menu list. So I'll be using the dragging property, and we'll be placing it over here. And I just want to set the seekers and owners within the contact. So I'll be using this and dragging and placing it over here. So let's select this, and let's move a bit over here to set it as the sub menu. So this comes under the contacts. So here you can see we are just going to set it under the contact, and you can now just confirm that. So as you just click on confirm here, you would be able to find now we have currently rearranged the menus over here. So under the properties, you would be able to find the properties. Under the agents, we have provided the employees as well as or the agents, which means that is connected to the existing module employee. And under the contacts, you would be able to find the seekers and owners. And under the configuration, we can find the property stages over here. And that's cool. Right now, the next step is to add the filter rules, because whenever we just enter to our application, we just need to make certain filtrations based on the contacts as well as on the basis of the seekers and owners. So for that, you can just move on to the filter rules. Here you can find currently this is filtered by employee. So as you just remove here, you would be able to find the filter rules that are available. Now I just need to make a filter rule by default. So I am going to make a filter rule default for seekers. So I'll be naming the filter name as seekers over here, and let it be available for all the users, and this is applied for the model contact. So you can basically search for the model contact over here. And you can set the model. So I'm going to set the model as contact. Yeah, yes, we just got the model over here. And I want to just set this filter as default. So I'll be enabling this field, and we just need to set the action name over here. So that is, it's for seekers. So I'll be searching for seekers over here. And currently you can see we have a domain that match with the 77 records, but I just want to make a filtration by setting the domain. So upon this conditions, the filter will be applied over there. So let me click on new button, and I just want to filter this based on the job position. So I'll be setting the job position, which is equal to, yeah, sales director. So let me save this. So as I just save this, you can see that there is only one record which can be found with this filter. So now everything is set. As you just close this session or this thing, and as you just move on to the contact and choose the seekers, here you can see that currently the seekers is applied with filters with the filter as the job position, and you can see we have set that. So if you want to just get the rule or the condition that we have set over here, you can see that over here. So now in the upcoming videos, we will be discussing more things regarding the studio, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.